like this, and you will know it's ripe when it just looks like. It's so good. So you can eat it by itself. I eat this with bread. I eat this with just rice. I eat this like, oh my God, it's so good for you. There are different types of avocados as well. So good. I think my plate is full, guys. Oh my gosh. This is what you call a feast. So anybody out there who is interested in joining me for my feast, I welcome you. Anyone who is interested in joining me for my feast, look at that. I hope you can see it well. You know what I'm going to say? Love your mouth. If you don't love your mouth, you can't love your stomach, and it goes directly to the stomach. So I'll go over it with you. So here, I got some plantains, got some bacon. Take the plate because it's so much. Yep, I got some franks or Vienna sausages. This is the spicy one. I got my eggs. So the eggs, you guys know by now I don't really care. Please don't be like, oh my God, you know what? I need some eggs. No. Here I got some eggs scrambled with some chili peppers and some oregano. Here I got the tomato and I got avocado. A little bit of everything, right? Looks delicious. Hannah, TikTok. Nina had already left and Bailey had already left. But if you guys are interested, let me know. This TikTok. We were talking about what? Wheels and meals, meals and wheels. Oh, we were talking about Instacart. This is my Instacart right here. Yes, my Instacart. It's so good. I love baking, guys. And plantain, guys, if you're gonna do it like this, make sure you get the ripe plantain. For those of you who don't know what it looks like this. It looks like a big banana, but it's not. It's called plantain. You could fry it, boil it. You can make desserts with it. Oh my gosh, unlimited. It's so good. And it's sweet, so you don't have to add sugar. But some desserts you can add sugar. I know some people they boil it and they add some sugar of it. I've tried it before and it's really, really good too. Hungrier than I thought. Okay, no problem. She'll watch this and she'll know. Miss TikTok, you want some? I got your avocado, I got your plantain. I don't know if you eat bacon. Yeah, I know you eat eggs. To drive to Florida, I could ship it, I could fly it to you. FedEx? Yeah, that'll work for you. Oh my gosh. So this again, Frank's or Vienna sausage. So guys, I'm not gonna make tea or coffee today. Oh, I forgot the best part. Guys, look what I picked up in the store. I went out with some girls yesterday and I saw this nice bakery and decided to go check it out. And I got this beautiful, I think it's an egg loaf bread or something. It's braided like a little flat. And when I saw it, I'm like, I'm not gonna bake no bread. I'm gonna have this fresh bread. Let me slice up a piece so I can see what it looks like on the inside. It really, really looks beautiful. I take it out of the bag so you can see the beauty. And it has sesame seeds on top. Isn't that awesome? Oh my goodness.